Choosing between wallpaper and paint for your walls can be a tough decision. Let's make it easier. We'll walk you through different rooms in your home and highlight the best choice based on what really matters. For living room. For a fancy look. If you want a super cool wall, pick wallpaper. Money talk. Wallpaper costs a bit more at the start, but it can be worth it. Not too messy. If your living room doesn't get tons of action, wallpaper is good. Paint. You can have any color you want with paint, and it's usually cheaper. Easy to clean. Paint is simple to take care of, even if there's a spill. For bedroom. Wallpaper sets a calm or fun mood with its patterns. Spending money. Think of wallpaper as an investment in your cozy space. For regular use, it's okay for bedrooms where people come and go. In case of paint, calm or crazy, you can paint your room any way you like. Save money. Painting is usually kinder to your wallet. Easy to care for. Paint is a breeze to keep clean in your bedroom. For kitchen. Durable wallpaper can make your kitchen look stylish. Watch your wallet. It costs more at the beginning, but it can be worth it. If you spill things in the kitchen, wallpaper that's easy to clean is great. Whereas paint are clean and fresh, and also paint matches your kitchen stuff well. Also saves cash, it's cheaper, and fixing it up is easy. No fuss, paint doesn't need a lot of care in the kitchen. For children's room. Wallpaper is awesome for fun designs. Strong stuff, get tough wallpaper for rooms with lots of action. Stain-proof, it's easy to clean if there are spills. Whereas paint can be super colorful for a fun space. Money saver, it's cheaper, and you can change it easily. Simple refresh, paint is easy to fix up even if kids play rough. Choosing between wallpaper and paint isn't too tough when you think about what you need. If you want a fancy look or a calm retreat, wallpaper could be your thing. But if you like choices, saving money, and easy care, paint is the way to go. Just think about your style, how you use the room, and your budget. Then you'll know what's best for each part of your home.